Now here's a rod that I spent some time with. You know, the parting line, I polish it off or grind it off. And then I get one of the sand rolls and I sand roll it back and forth. And then I'll start polishing on it. And I'll go around everything and just kind of just deburr all the pieces. And even on this rod, you know, I did weight reduction on it. So I also, you know, detailed it, made it a very nice looking piece. But also did as much weight reduction on it as I could, you know, and get all the rods, keep all the rods the same weight anyway. So, but let me show you one that's not detailed. Here's one that hasn't been detailed. And so anyways, on the rods I did for myself, and this is just for me, you know, I take off that seam there, polish it flush. A lot of these sharp corners and stuff around there, I'll deburr. As far as that lip, I won't take that lip off because I think that would splash lubes the camshaft, but I'll radius it, make it nice. Then also, if I can weigh all the rods and I find my heaviest rod, I can start reducing weight. I can make that heaviest rod the lightest rod. I'm taking off as much weight as I dare to even make the rod lighter. But that's something there. You probably need some scales and stuff to try to figure out what you're doing, because if you have all the weight took off and you know your rod isn't, you know, the lightest one, then you don't really have any more places to take material from. But anyways, spend some time with your stock rods. You can make a nice piece. Not saying it's any stronger. It just looks better, for sure.